So here is a makeup look that uses the Wet n Wild collaboration with Bretman Rock. This is the Jungle Rock palette. Some of you may be able to use this as a standalone palette. For this look, this is the only palette I've used. I've never used anything else. So if you want to know how I created this look using this palette, please stay tuned. So I think my application of the highlight eroded some of my blush, so I'm gonna reapply just a little. I'm really bad with liquid highlights, but they look really good, so I'm not gonna stop using them, but I have to be extra careful next time. I had to redo the blush just a little, so just be very careful about this. So it just happened again. I kind of like eroded a portion of my powder and foundation on this side, and this did not happen in the past. I absolutely love this highlight, but I think that it's not compatible with this Sleek blush. This is too powdery for this. So what I'm gonna do to fix it is just to use a powder highlight on top, and I'm gonna use this one. I was supposed to use most of the makeup is Wet n Wild, but here we are. I also have a different blush that would have been much better, but I just wanted to try this out because of the theme, and yeah. So, yeah. One of those problems encountered. But nothing that we can't fix with makeup. So let me just go over powder just to even things out. I hope the fixes were good. So remember the Wet n Wild lipstick that I tested in my swatches, which was too dried up? I followed my friend's advice to put it in the microwave, so I can still use it. Thanks, Jean. Now I can use this lipstick. So I'm gonna add an inner corner highlight. I think that this palette is super promising. Not only is it super affordable, it's also very varied. You have so many looks that you can make out of this collection, and I will be posting so many looks using this palette in the future. I hope that you guys like this makeup tutorial, and if you did, please don't forget to hit the thumbs up button, and I hope to see you again in my next tutorial. Thanks a lot for watching. See you again soon. If you need to go out, please wear a mask. Bye!